guys, we have our baler here. We had to make this new plate. There was a plate right there that broke off, sheared the bolts, and it fell, the front of this baler almost fell off. So we're kind of putting it back together. We have Josh on the ready with the hose because this thing's covered in super dry grain dust, and it's got a bale on the back and a bale inside. So we got to weld everything back together and hopefully not light this thing on fire. But this is just one of the things that has broken during grain harvest. The other thing is the combine has had multiple breaks. It's had the header break twice, and all that grain underneath is because we had a gearbox go out, and it's drained all the grain onto the ground. So just racking up the breakdowns. Just trying to get these bolt holes to line up. The jack and the come along. Okay. So where's your, you say you have a contraption to tighten it? Is that what you said?
No.
Is that one in? Okay, so Trevor just bolted the plate on that we made. And now I have to weld it to the other plate because that's what broke off.
Doesn't look pretty right there, but it's welded.
All right, so I'll give you a closer look at what we did. Welded that plate onto the top. That's where it broke off. It holds basically the whole header on. And we didn't light any of that straw down there on fire, which is kind of a miracle. So now Trevor can go finish baling straw.